Hello all! You need to hear this if you're a history buff. Do you know how and where ATM were born? You need to watch this if you love quick cash access. Imagine a world where getting cash was a time-consuming task, and the convenience of ATMs was just a dream. Today we take for granted the ease of withdrawing money anytime, anywhere. But have you ever wondered how it all began? This is the story of the first ATM, a revolutionary invention that changed the way we handle money forever. Picture this. It's the 1960s. The world is buzzing with new ideas and technological advancements. However, banking is still quite traditional. Banking hours are strict, and getting cash after hours is a hassle. People often had to plan their day around bank hours, and long queues were a common sight. Enter Luther Simjian, an Armenian-American inventor with a vision to change the banking landscape. He saw the need for a machine that could handle banking transactions without the need for a teller. In 1960, he created the Bankograph, an automated deposit machine. This was a significant step forward, as it allowed customers to deposit checks and cash without human intervention. But guess what? It didn't dispense cash. While it was a groundbreaking invention, it didn't solve the problem of accessing cash outside of banking hours. Despite being installed in NYC, it was removed after 6 months due to low usage. People were not yet ready to trust machines with their money. Fast forward to 1962. Adrian Ashfield introduced the idea of a card system to securely identify users and control dispensing. This was a crucial development as it addressed the security concerns that people had with automated banking. This breakthrough led to UK patent 959,713 in 1964. The patent detailed a system that used coded cards to authorize transactions, paving the way for the modern ATM. But the real game changer came in 1967 in London. Barclays Bank took a bold step and installed the first true ATM. The first true ATM was installed, allowing customers to withdraw cash anytime without a teller. This was a monumental shift in banking, offering unprecedented convenience. This revolutionized banking forever, making cash available 24/7. No longer did people have to worry about bank hours or long queues. The ATM became an essential part of daily life. The contributions of Luther Simjian and Adrian Ashfield laid the foundation for the modern banking experience we enjoy today. Their innovations have made it possible for us to access our money with ease and security. The ATM has evolved over the years, adapting to new technologies and security measures. From biometric authentication to mobile integration, ATMs continue to innovate. Today we can even use our smartphones to withdraw cash, making the process even more seamless. The journey from the Bankograph to the modern ATM is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of convenience. ATMs have also played a crucial role in financial inclusion, providing banking services to remote and underserved areas. They have become a lifeline for many, offering access to cash and banking services where traditional banks are not present. Behind the scenes, a lot of work goes into maintaining and upgrading these machines. Technicians ensure that ATMs are always operational and secure, providing us with uninterrupted access to our money. The convenience of 24/7 access to cash has become an integral part of our lives. Whether it's day or night, we rely on ATMs to meet our financial needs. The journey of the ATM is a fascinating one, from its humble beginnings to becoming a global phenomenon. It has transformed the way we interact with our money, making banking more accessible and convenient. No matter where you are or what the weather is like, ATMs are there to serve you. They have become a ubiquitous part of our urban and rural landscapes. Security has always been a top priority for ATMs. Over the years, numerous advancements have been made to ensure that our transactions are safe and secure. From magnetic stripe cards to chip and PIN, and now contactless transactions, ATMs have continuously evolved to meet the changing needs of consumers. The global network of ATMs allows us to access our money no matter where we are in the world. This interconnected system has made international travel and transactions more convenient than ever. The contributions of Luther Simjian and Adrian Ashfield laid the foundation for the modern banking experience we enjoy today. Their innovations have made it possible for us to access our money with ease and security. So next time you hit the ATM, remember the pioneers who made it possible. Their vision and ingenuity have given us the convenience we often take for granted. The next time you withdraw cash, take a moment to appreciate the history behind that simple transaction. Thanks for joining me on this historical journey. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating history bites. Until next time, keep exploring.